Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the dual monitor stand from Amazon Basics. This is the box that it comes in. There are absolutely no information. It's a plain white box. Let's just open it and take a look at the stand. So this is the welcome guide for this particular monitor stand. You can see, so it has safety, compliance and warranty information in this particular document. This is basically a setup guide on how to set up this particular monitor stand. This is written: adjust the tilting function with a supplied hex key. So this is the hex key. If the monitor plate cannot hold your monitor, please adjust the screw clockwise. So there are two hex keys actually. Three hex keys, 1, 2, 3, and I will try to attach it over here. Let's see how successful I am. I will do the basic setup. I will not attach it to a mount, to a wall or anything, because obviously I won't be able to do that right now. There are a lot of these components which basically you will use to mount them on a wall. So let me see. Right now I may not need to use all of them to demonstrate how the stand works. So this is the center piece. Basically this is the main cylinder that will run through the wall stand. And next we have so this is basically the arms of this particular wall mount. These are very flexible arms. You can extend them like so. There's a little tight. This is very new as well. So you can extend them like so, and basically the monitor will fit within these arms, and this particular cylinder will run through. I'm going to put this in like so. I think it's this way. Yes, it's this way. So yeah, so basically putting it in like this. This particular lever controls this particular valve over here. So it has to be completely down for this particular cylinder to go in, and once it's down, you adjust to the height that you want and then lock it in place. There you go, it's locked now. So this is the very basic setup, and this also comes with a lot of other attachments as well, like this particular wall mount, it can rest on top of this, it'll rest on top of this like so. So you will place it on a wall or some surface somewhere, and then the stand will go like this. Obviously this is not the most ideal or accurate representation of how it should look like at the end, because I don't have a wall to show it to you on. There is a smaller hexagonal key over here, you can see. And there are two large hexagonal keys in this packet, along with with a lot of washers and bolts and screws as well. So, and this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the dual monitor display mounting stand from Amazon Basics. Thank you for watching.